Tuesday, the 18th of October, started here on Frontier Opening Bell. I am Bosin Amafaye. Just a very quick rundown through the markets. The South African market climbed roughly 3% yesterday, leading the rest of the continent in terms of outlook, 66,190. That was a big day on the back of that strong trading day we saw across developed markets, both in the US and in the UK as well as Europe and elsewhere. With some measure of optimism in the market, but quite a whole lot to still think about. But the flip side of that was a deep dive, 2.53% of the Nigerian market, led by Dangote Sugar. Airtel Africa down yesterday, and Nigeria's equity market fell by roughly 600 billion naira in local currency. So on Monday, the BRVM is still looking to grab the 200 psychological reading on the composites, but better by 0.5% yesterday. Let's see what the rest of the week looks like. The Egyptian stock markets up again by 1% yesterday, better by 1.98% on Sunday, the start of the week for the Cairo market. Nairobi down by 0.06%, below the 130 reading. Keep that in mind. Let's just move on to the top stories for the East African community, where Kenya has been named the leading destination in Sub-Saharan Africa by the World Travel Awards for 2022, and the country's capital, Nairobi, was also named the leading business destination. In the meantime, the island of Zanzibar has been named the one with the best beach destination in Sub-Saharan Africa. Congratulations. And there's a bit more of congratulations still coming, because Ethiopian Airlines is flaunting its first convertible Boeing 767 freighter, while investors are not cheering up in the defaulting Citing investment. 15 billion shillings on the table, and they may have to wait until 2029 to get the money back. Some bad news there. But let's move on to West Africa, where Nigeria's iconic Transcorp Hilton Hotel was awarded, got 5 awards to be more precise. 5 are the World Travel Awards, the best hotel in Nigeria, one of the best business hotels. I also got an award that went to Transcorp Hilton Hotel, as well as 3 other awards. And we say congratulations to the folks at Transcorp Hilton, which is listed on the Nigerian Exchange. In the meantime, not some cheery news, as it were, on the side of inflation, which came in 20.77% for the month of September. That's taking you all the way back to September of 2005. And private equity fundraising around the world is expected to slow down by 21.5%, according to a new report which S&P Global Research featured yesterday. And fuel prices in Ghana may be heading to about 18 cedis per litre by December. Keep that in mind. Let's check in with the Southern African marketplace. And we've got a few news, because today is the kickoff of the 4-day high-profile Africa Energy Week that is being held in Cape Town under the umbrella of the Africa Energy Chamber. You've got big names around the world of oil and gas, clean energy as well. Everyone else in the room, thousands of delegates will be attending from Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Angola, within South Africa itself, from Sudan, Senegal, and Europe as well. It's a very big event, and we say congratulations to everyone. In the meantime, Zimbabwe says it's in talks with the World Bank and the IMF around the country's debt. While the problem with Transnet is yet to go away, a faction of the striking workers says they've agreed to the offer being put on the table. Satawu says they're rejecting that. So there's no headway as we speak right now as to where do we go with this port strike action that is hurting South Africa's mining sector. And Zambia's Minister of Finance says he is very eager to see the conclusion of the day-to-day negotiation with China. The team from Beijing are expected on ground in Lusaka anytime from now. Okay, let's see what North Africa looks like. President Al-Sisi is very hopeful about that new rail line between Cairo, between Egypt and Sudan in the Sahel. And that made President Al-Sisi to approve a 750,000 Kuwaiti dinar to conduct feasibility and technical studies to see how that rail project, which will improve movement of goods, persons, and services across the two countries. Sudan has been an ally of Egypt within the North Africa and the Sahel corridor for many years. USA insists back in Morocco's agri-cooperative unions with $4 million to support more food production and ensure food prices stay within reasonable limits. And Morocco's fuel prices, however, will be going up on the back of the global crisis. And Morocco's $25 billion gas pipeline from Nigeria through West Africa all the way to Morocco in the north and off straight to Europe is still on table. 2 new deals have been signed, according to NNPC, on Monday. That will see to the actualization of that mega gas pipeline project. That's the story and out of stories for this Tuesday. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.